Imagine it's 1969. The streets are alive with the sound of raw power, and muscle cars reign supreme. Among them, a legend rolls off the line, one of only 697 ever to be made, the 1969 Pontiac Trans Am. This isn't just another car, it's a statement. Dressed in Cameo White with bold Tyrol Blue stripes cutting across its sleek body, it commands attention wherever it goes. Inside, the blue bucket seats welcome you into a cockpit designed for those who appreciate the thrill of the drive. Beneath the hood lies the heart of this beast, a 400 cubic inch Ram Air 3 V8, original to this very car. With 335 horsepower at your command, every push of the pedal takes you back to the golden age of American muscle. The Muncie M20 4-speed manual transmission, numbers matching just like the engine, connects you directly to the road, making every shift an experience. But this Trans Am is more than just brute force. It's equipped with a 10-bolt 355 safe T-track rear axle, ensuring that power meets pavement with precision. Power steering and power front disc brakes give you the control you need to tame this wild machine. And those RAIII 2 wheels, wrapped in Goodyear Polyglas tires, not only complete the look, but also grip the road with authority. This 1969 Trans Am isn't just a car, it's a piece of history. A time capsule from an era when cars were more than machines, they were legends. And now this legend is ready to write its next chapter.